Can you imagine that a fog light lens can bring such an exaggerated brightness improvement? The G01 high-concentration fog light lens has achieved it. The G01 high-concentration fog light lens is equipped with a 2.0-inch lens and boasts many remarkable features. It allows for a non-destructive installation, which is extremely easy and convenient. You can upgrade the fog lights of your car without major modifications. With a 99% model universality, it can be adapted to almost all vehicle models on the market, completely solving the compatibility problem. It is equipped with a 6+1 high-concentration chip, which can boost the brightness by 300%. The power combination of 50W for high and low beams and 35W for low beams provides sufficient and bright light, ensuring you have a clear view even in bad weather conditions such as foggy days. It adopts a double convex, high-definition curved optical design, paired with ultra-clear glass. This design has a highlight transmittance, ensuring efficient light transmission. In terms of heat dissipation, it uses high-efficiency fin-shaped heat-dissipating aluminum. The overall aluminum with a striped shape not only has a long service life but also dissipates heat rapidly, guaranteeing the stable operation of the product. Its lifespan can reach up to 50,000 hours, which is highly durable and reduces the trouble of frequent replacements. It comes with an external decoder and an external driver. This design ensures stable performance and effectively reduces the impact of heat on the driver, further enhancing the reliability of the product. Its waterproof performance is also excellent. Even if the product is immersed in water for 30 minutes, the lens can still work normally without any water mist inside, making it resistant to harsh weather and complex environments. For those engaged in the wholesale and sales of fog light lenses, the G01 high-concentration fog light lens is a rare blockbuster product. In today's highly competitive market environment, such a fog light lens that combines multiple advantages such as high brightness, high adaptability, good heat dissipation, stable performance, and super strong waterproofing is bound to be warmly welcomed by consumers. By cooperating with us for wholesale, you will enjoy a stable supply of goods, reasonable prices, and comprehensive after-sales service support.